This enterprise engaged in producing special steel using converter is the first one of same kind in China. Also, the only manufacturer specialized in professional production of special steel bars in the Beijing-Tianjin-Hebei region. A major supplier of high-end equipment manufacturing materials at home and abroad, and one of the 3 major special steel bar manufacturers in China, as well as a landmark enterprise of industrial upgrading and high-end products of steel enterprises in Hebei and even the whole country. Through 60 years' efforts and several generations of persistence, a local steel maker has been successfully transformed into one of the 3 largest-scale professional manufacturers of special steel bar in the industry. And viewed as the first choice for many well-known users both at home and abroad, it is Shijiazhuang Iron and Steel Company Limited under He Steel Group. The leading products of Hebei Iron and Steel Group Shi Steel, including bearing steel, gear steel, spring steel, free cutting steel, and non-quenched and tempered steel. High-quality carbon structural steel and alloy structural steel are widely used in automobiles, engineering machinery, railways, petroleum and mining machinery, shipbuilding and marine engineering machinery, military, and other fields. Everything is customer-centered to meet the needs of our customers. Hebei Iron and Steel Group Shi Steel firmly established a strong sense of quality first, continuously improved the quality of product and service, and continuously optimized the quality management system in accordance with Quality Management System Standards ISO 9001, IATF 16949, GJB 9001C, and Quality Management System Specifications API Q1 to achieve all staff, all-sided, full process product quality control and strongly enhanced capabilities for customer service support. The company's high-end varieties of steel accounted for 87% and successively passed through the qualification evaluation of more than 100 well-known domestic and foreign suppliers such as Toyota, Volkswagen, Magna, ZF, ThyssenKrupp, Caterpillar, SKF, and Timken. With more than 1,200 direct customers, the products sell well throughout the country and have been exported to more than 30 countries and regions in the world. A number of products have been awarded the Golden Cup Award, an Extraordinary Quality Award, for the physical quality of the country's products. The company has continuously won the Quality Award of the Hebei Provincial Government and was identified as postdoctoral innovation practice base and a high-tech enterprise in Hebei Province. Hebei Iron and Steel Group Shi Steel adhered to the innovation-driven, centered on the commanding heights of product strategy of high level of bearing steel and automotive steel, and constantly developed and improved core technologies to form a unique special steel production process and a complete process technology management system. Currently, we have 147 patented technologies and 96 products to fill the domestic gaps and replace imports, undertake national key research and development projects, and take charge of the participation in the revision of 5 national and industrial standards, such as bearing steel and gear steel, and the formulation of 2 national standards for the inspection industries. Hebei Iron and Steel Group Shi Steel products have fully entered 38 of the world's top 500 equipment manufacturing enterprises, and have established comprehensive cooperation relationships with more than 30 domestic steel companies in the world's top 100 auto parts companies, as well as stable supply relationships with nearly half of the world's top 50 engineering machinery manufacturers. In the field of automobile manufacturing, Hebei Iron and Steel Group Shi Steel products ranks the second in the domestic special steel market share for passenger cars to provide long-term and stable supply of BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Audi, Volkswagen, Toyota, Nissan, Volvo, Peugeot, Fiat, Chang'an, Great Wall, Chery, SAIC, and other well-known domestic and foreign enterprises, and ranks the first in the domestic share of automotive stabilizer bars. In the market of special steel for commercial vehicles, the market share of Hebei Iron and Steel Group Steel products ranks first in the domestic market. Key customers include ThyssenKrupp in Germany, Cummins in the US, Merwin in the United States, AXEL in the United States, FAW, Dongfeng, CNHTC, Shanxi Auto, Weichai, and Shanxi Fast, etc. We acquired the title of 2017 China Excellent Brand for Automotive Steel. In the field of railway and transportation, Hebei Iron and Steel Group Steel Spring Fastener steel for high-speed railway has a domestic market share of more than 50%, and it is the exclusive supplier of spring fastener steel for domestic heavy-load railway using the railway elastic bars, vibration isolation springs, and locomotive anti-rollover torsion bar from Hebei Iron and Steel Group Steel products widely used in subway lines in major cities in China. In the field of engineering machinery manufacturing, Hebei Iron and Steel Group Steel products rank the first in the domestic market for high-end engineering machinery special steels. The company's products cover Caterpillar, Komatsu, Hitachi Engineering Machinery, XCMG, Kobelco, Sumitomo, Shantui, and other internationally renowned and domestic leading engineering machinery companies. In the bearing manufacturing industry, the market share of medium and high-end bearing steel ranks the second, and the key customers include the world's #1 SKF, the world-leading US Timken, Japan's NSK, and the domestic leading Wanxiang Precision, C&U Group Bearing, Harbin Bearing, Luoyang Bearing, and so on. In the field of military industry, implementing the requirements of the 19th National Congress of the Communist Party of China on intensive development of military and people integration, Hebei Iron and Steel Group Steel will strive to be a model of the integration of military and civilian development. Shijiazhuang Jingcheng Company is located in Yingkou City, Liaoning Province, and is controlled by Hebei Iron and Steel Group Steel. It can produce large-scale castings and forgings, welded structural parts, and complete sets of equipment that are widely used in metallurgy, machining, chemical industry, power, energy, shipbuilding, and other industries, and has established stable strategic cooperative relationships with SMS, VAI, Siemens, and other world-renowned companies. High-end products such as wind power spindles, large-scale marine crankshafts, and offshore gear racks have great market prospects. Ecological priority, green development. Hebei Iron and Steel Group Steel shall bear the duty of manufacturing green steel for human civilization, actively promoting green development, fulfilling social responsibilities, advocating clean production, and developing a circular economy. On the basis of a total investment of 1.6 billion RMB in environmental protection, nearly 100 million RMB has been invested in 2017 to upgrade and transform the environmental protection projects in the main plant area. At present, the company's main pollutants per ton steel emission index are lower than the National Clean Production Primary Standard, and the company has become one of the cleanest steel companies in China. All the production water is recycled, the waste heat and residual pressure generate electricity. The industrial waste heat heats 4.2 million square meters for urban residents, and industrial solid wastes such as blast furnace water slag and steel slag are used in the integrated manufacturing and utilization of cement and urban pavement bricks, realizing environmental and social harmony and symbiosis. The green rate of the main plant area reached 45%, and the modern factory buildings were built among the flowers and trees. The cultural landscape and theme sculptures formed a beautiful scenery. Since being approved as one of the first industrial tourism demonstration sites by Shijiazhuang City in 2012, Hebei Iron and Steel Group Steel has received over 10,000 visitors from the general public, schools, and social organizations. Bathing in the harmony of 19th Party, Hebei Iron and Steel Group Steel has been following Xi Jinping's socialist ideology with Chinese characteristics in the new era, unwaveringly promoting product upgrades and structural adjustments, and stepping confidently toward the goal of becoming the most competitive steel enterprise.